When it come down to the Capital One Platinum Secure Credit Card, when you guys apply for this, when they start reporting to the credit bureaus, your credit score should rise up. If for some reason you do not see your credit score going up, it's probably because you're spending too much on your credit card. Try to keep your utilization under 5%. So this is a $200 secure credit card. So technically, they should never report more than $10 as a balance to the credit bureaus. So make sure that you get your balance down below $10 before they report to the credit bureaus, and you should see an increase in your credit score. If you do not see that increase, it's most likely because of your utilization, trust me, or you probably didn't need another credit card. Now, let me show you guys that Capital One card. Oh, wait, that's Credit One. So the building credit. So here is that Platinum One secure credit card right here. So it is a $200 limit. When they start reporting to the credit bureaus, your credit score should go up, but you got to make sure your balance is low, you guys. I don't care if they approve you for a $2,000 credit card, a $5,000 credit card. If you're spending too much on it, it's going to hurt your credit. So the key is not only get approved for a credit card, but keep your balance very, very low. So don't let them report more than $10 as a balance to the credit bureaus if you want your credit score to go up, okay? That's really the key. So yes, your credit score should go up, especially if your credit score is really, really low. You just want to keep your balance low. And then every month you should see some type of increase. Just pay on time and keep your balance low. I would say below that $10, trust me, for your balance. And I'm telling you, if you're doing that, your credit